Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make this juicy yet super flavorful baked chicken. This recipe is very easy and it's absolutely delicious. But before I show you guys how it's done, if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, like if you enjoy, and let's get started. All right, babe. To begin, I am going to cut my chicken into small pieces. Now, if you want, you can cook this as a whole. I do have a recipe on how to, butterfly your chicken before you bake it. However, today I wanted to do something different. So I went ahead and cut them into small pieces, the legs, the thigh, the breast, and the wings. So that's what we're doing now. Now, because I do want this chicken to be nice and juicy, I am going to brine it. So here's how to do it. To a bowl, I added some water. Then I am going to add about 3 tablespoons of salt. Don't worry, it's not going to be salty. Next, I am going to add some lemon slices. It's going to give it a nice tropical citrus flavor. And then you are going to place your chicken right in there. Now I'm going to let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, and once my 30 minutes is up, I am going to remove it from the water. And now is the perfect time for you to remove any yellow residue on the chicken. And as you can see, it's nice and white. Okay, once I'm done, I am going to drain the water. Make sure you remove any moisture on the chicken. As you guys can see, I'm using a napkin. And here's what you need to season your chicken. You will need lemon zest, garlic, oil, and the chicken, of course. And to season the chicken, you will need onion powder, creole seasoning, adobo seasoning, Italian seasoning, ground black pepper, parsley, paprika, cumin, chili powder, and last but not least, thyme. Shall we move on? Let's get to seasoning. Now in a bowl, I am going to pour in the oil. By the way, I am using olive oil for today's recipe. Once I'm done, I am going to pour in my minced garlic. Next, I am going to grate the lemon zest. You don't need a lot of this, just a little bit goes a long way. So I'll say about half a teaspoon. Now I'm going to grab the chicken and place it into the oil. Now, once I have the chicken well coated with the oil, I am going to pour in my seasoning. I like to give the seasoning a nice stir before I start pouring it all over the chicken. Now we're going to generously season our chicken because that's where the flavor is coming from. So make sure to be very generous when it comes to season any type of meat you are making. Now, one thing to never, ever forget when you are seasoning chicken thighs, make sure to lift up that skin and add the seasoning in there because, baby, when you bite to that chicken, the flavor is going to be so good. You cannot forget under the skin. Like, just stuff that seasoning under there. All right. Now I'm going to grab a baking dish and place my chicken in there. No need to oil the baking dish, just place it in there. You'll have plenty of oil once you're done. Now this is what we have so far before we bake it. And now we're going to bake this on 375 for about 50 minutes. Once it is done, baby, you have the most delicious looking chicken ever. And no, I did not cover it. It's just smelling oh so delicious. Now take a look how juicy this chicken is. Come on now, you have to try this. This is a 10 out of 10, will make again. Okay, I will definitely cook this again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope you try this at home. Don't forget to give this video a like for me if you did enjoy it, if it was helpful. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.